Alrighty guys, it is opening day of turkey season. We're all set up here. We got our bird goblin within 200 yards in front of us and one way off to the right. So we're gonna sit here, call a little bit and see what he does. Alright, we got a bird up here in this field. I'm sneaking around trying to get behind it and hopefully we can call him in. So we'll see what happens. No way. No frickin' way. No frickin' way. Oh my god, guys. Holy crap. Boom! Oh, let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy crap. Let's freaking go. That thing came in. I heard him coming way before I saw him. He came in and he hung up at like 60 yards for like forever, it felt like. And he finally committed, dude. And he came in full strut. I probably shot him. He was probably 30 yards when I shot. And I don't know what happened. He kind of took off running. I shot him again and knocked him down. And he got back up and kept running. And he ran probably 40 yards and then he finally just stopped, I guess. Oh my God, dude. Here we go, guys. It's a young bird. Not as big as I thought, but it'll be a his-fill bird. I'm super happy about that. All right, guys. What a hunt. I mean, honestly, we just pulled up, and this bird was in this field, actually, in the corner down here. And I spotted him from probably 400 or 500 yards away through binoculars. And crept down, got back in these woods, and crept all the way back around here. That was a long walk, and crept up to about 180, 200 yards back in these woods. Got everything set up, the decoys and everything set back up against the tree, and let out a soft call every 5 to 10 minutes. About 40 minutes later, I could start to hear something walking through the woods. And I knew it was a turkey. There was a good chance I knew it was him. And sure enough, the first time I saw him, he was in full strut, drumming. He came into about 60 yards and hung up there for a second, checked everything out. And then I guess he thought everything was okay, and he kept coming in. He got to about 25, 30 yards and cleared a tree, stuck his head up. I think he might have saw me. And I don't really know what happened. Shot him, he fell, hit the ground, and he kind of got up and tried to get away again. I shot him, he fell over, hit the ground again. And he ended up kind of limping off and like flopping off, and he died probably 20 yards from where I shot him, maybe 30. But not the biggest bird I've ever killed, but I don't know how much I'm gonna get to turkey hunt this year, so I'm definitely not passing this bird up. About a 9-inch beard and a pretty full fan, so pretty grateful that this hunt came together like it did, and maybe we'll get lucky and get one more before the season's over. I'm over here with Nolan, right there. We literally just walked in this field and we have a bird gobbling pretty hard, so we got the decoy set up and we're gonna see if he'll make a move on us. Shoot it, shoot it. Don't move. Don't move. I'd kill him. Shoot him. Shoot him. Yes, sir! Let's go! Dude! No way!
I ain't taking him at all.
No freaking way. Come on, give me some of that. Dude, let's go! Shoot him. Yes, sir!
Me and Davis walked out. Was here about 5 minutes. Called once, gobbled like 4 times. Came into 10 yards with Jake and a couple hens and smoked them.